Running a trucking business means staying on top of dozens of deadlines, renewals, and compliance filings. One missed date can cost you time, money, and even your authority. That's why we created the Trucking Compliance Calendar by J.O.A.T Solutions LLC, your all-in-one digital tool to never miss a compliance deadline again. With automated alerts, built-in FMCSA deadlines, and customizable reminders, our calendar keeps you ahead of quarterly, annual, and biennial filings. From UCR and MCS 150 updates, to IFTA filings, ELD checks, driver medical renewals, and more, everything is preloaded and easy to track. Say goodbye to late fees and stress. Our system highlights what's due soon, what's overdue, and what's been completed, all in one place. Whether you're a solo operator or managing a fleet, the Trucking Compliance Calendar gives you control, clarity, and confidence. Get yours today, and keep your business moving forward.